Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In our last video, we learned the properties of real numbers. Now, we learned the properties of equality of real numbers. Okay. The properties of real numbers are as follows. And the first property is that reflexive property. Okay. And reflective property is A is equals to A for all A belongs to real number. Okay, what does it mean? It means that take any real number. For example, you take 1 from real number. Okay, there is no any other element which is equals to 1 on the real numbers, on the real line. 1 is always equals to 1. Okay, you can't say that 1 is equals to 2 because 1 and 2 can never be equal. Okay, this is the reflexive property. It means that every element is the reflex of itself. Okay, and this is the reflective property, and this is hold only in the equality of real numbers. Okay, properties of equality of real numbers. And the second is symmetric property. And the symmetric property says that if A is equals to B and if A is equals to B, then B is equals to A for all A and B belongs to real number. Okay, it means that if two elements are equal, two numbers are equal, for example, if the first number is equal to the second, then second number will also be equal to the first. It means that both numbers are equal. For example, 1 belongs to real line, this is the A, so I will say that 1 is equals to 1. Okay, if I say 1 is equals to 1, then I can change its place. 1 is equals to 1. This is A and this is B. Now this is B and this is A. There is no difference between them. Okay, it means that both the elements will be the same. This is the symmetric property of the equality of real numbers. Okay, take any other example of symmetric number. 1 is equals to 2 can never be equals. Okay, if 1 is not equals to 2, then 2 is also not equals to 1. So if I say that 1 is equals to 1, okay, this one is first and this is the first, this is the second. Now 1 and 1, this is the first and this is the second. I can't say 1 is not equals to 1. This is the wrong, because 1 is always equals to 1. Either you write this one first or this one first. Okay, this is the symmetric property of the equality of the real numbers. Now the next property is transitive property. What is transitive property? Transitive property says that if A is equals to B and B is equals to C, then A is equals to C for all A, B and C belongs to real number. Okay, notice that if A is equals to B and B is equals to C, say this equation 1, this equation 2, okay, here the value of B which is equals to C, put 2 in 1, we get A is equals to C, and this is the transitive property. Transitive property says that take any two elements if these are equals, okay, and the second element then equal to the any other element, then the first and third element will be also the same. First and third numbers will also be the same, and this is the transitive property. The next property is additive property. And the additive property says that if A is equals to B, then A plus C is equals to B plus C for all A, B and C belongs to real numbers. What does it mean? It means that take any two numbers and these are the equal, then add a common number, any number on the both sides. A is equals to B, add any other number on the both side, the equality sign can never be changed because the number is the same. So we can say that A plus C is equal to B plus C, and this is the additive property of the equality of the real number. And the next property is multiplicative property. Multiplicative property. What is the multiplicative property? Multiplicative property says that if A is equals to B, then A multiplied by C is equals to B multiplied by C for all A, B and C belongs to real line. It means that take any two numbers which are the equal, then multiply both the numbers, both the sides with the same number, then the equality sign can never be changed. For example, A is equals to 1 and B is also equals to 1, then 1 is equals to 1, okay. Take C is equals to 2, put the values in this equation, we get 1 multiplied by 2 which is equals to 1 multiplied by 2, so 2 is equals to 2, and this is the multiplicative property, okay, and this is holds in the equality of real numbers. This is the fifth property. Now we move toward the next property, and the next property is cancellation property for addition. And the cancellation property for addition is that if A plus C is equals to B plus C, then A is equals to B for all A, B and C belongs to real line. Okay. The cancellation property for addition is the reverse of the additive property. It says that if you add two numbers and these are equal, then if you cancel these numbers from the both side, then the both numbers are equal and the equality sign can never be changed. For example, 2 plus 1 is equals to 2 plus 1. Okay. If you add 1 from the both side, it gives 2 is equals to 2. Okay, and this is the cancellation property for addition. The next is cancellation property for multiplication. And the cancellation property for multiplication is that if AC is equals to BC, then A is equals to B. Here C is not equals to 0. Okay. And C is not equals to 0, then A is equal to B for all A, B and C belongs to real numbers. It says that if two numbers are thus equal and the one number is common in their multiplication, then you can easily cancel these numbers and the other number will be the same. Okay, and this is the hold for equality of the real numbers. So these are all the properties of equality of real numbers. Now we move toward the properties of inequality of the real numbers in our next video. Allah Hafiz.